In this video I will discuss about how I grow my nails faster in just 3 days easy routine. Hey there everyone, today I want to share with you my secret to growing nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, it's super easy and you won't believe how well it works. First things first, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly before starting. Then, apply a good quality cuticle remover along the edges of your nails. This will ensure that your cuticles don't block the growth process. Next up, exfoliate your skin using a gentle method. If you're not sure how to do this, just Google it, there are plenty of tutorials out there. Once that's done, gently pat dry and remove any remaining dead skin from around your nails using a Q-tip with nail polish remover on it. Just remember to be careful and avoid getting any remover on your skin or near your eyes. Now comes the fun part. Apply a nail growth treatment or strengthener directly onto your freshly cleaned nails. You can find these at any beauty supply store or online, so don't worry if you can't find them at a salon or spa. To ensure maximum absorption, cover your nails with either cling wrap or tin foil and leave them under for at least an hour, even better if you can do it overnight while you sleep. Just make sure not to wrap anything around your fingers because that could potentially harm your skin or health in general. And there you have it. In just 3 days, I guarantee you'll see a noticeable difference in the speed of your nail growth thanks to this easy routine. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips like this one, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and happy growing.